Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for August 28 to September 3, 2023. Pero bago tayo magsimula, promote ko lang aking mga power bracelets for manifestation of protection, healing, love, money. Available na po yan sa Shopee at sa TikTok. Pakicheck nyo na lang yung link nasa description. Ayan. So, Cancer, this is a general reading, no? So, maaari kayong makarelate. Maaring hindi, just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo. Para sa iba pang mensahe, meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Ayan. And just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. So let's see, Cancer, what's up? Weekly reading for you. You have the ray of light. Yan. So, meron kayong focus. Meron kayong bibigyan ng attention ngayong week na to. No? Can be your career, your finances, your relationship. Tignan natin. At ang bibigyan nyo ng career. Yan ang bibigyan nyo ng focus ngayon. Yung trabaho ninyo, yung business ninyo, yung pinagkakakitaan ninyo. Ayan. So, let's see ano pa. What else? And I think meron din kayong vision, no, for your career ngayon. Meron kayong certain goal na gusto nyong ma-achieve. Kaya ngayon pa lang, sinisimulan nyo na kung ano yung mga dapat nyong gawin, yung mga hakbang, yung mga steps na kailangan nyong gawin para ma-achieve nyo yung goals and dreams nyo, especially sa career ninyo. You also have the Scorpion. Ayan. So, itong Scorpion, this is about passion. So, whatever you are passionate about, this can be your career, your projects, no? Yung mga ginagawa mo ngayon na kung saan nag-e-enjoy ka. And at the same time, you are also earning from it, no? Kumikita ka rin dyan. And you are also diving deeply, no? Dun pa sa kung ano yung pwede mo pang i-explore tungkol sa sarili mo, yung mga talents and abilities and skills mo. So, mas lalo mo pa yung gagalingan. Tinan pa natin. For Cancer, you have butterfly emerging, taking a leap of faith. Oh. So, meron kang susubukan na magte-take ka ng risk. Okay? This is about transformation, no? Kasi butterfly, it symbolizes transformation, changes in your life, in your career especially, no? So, maaring meron kang susubukang bagong career, bagong trabaho, you've never done before. And i-explore mo pa yung kakayanan mo dyan. You also have the Lady Bird, which is about good luck. Yes. All of your manifesting positive thoughts and visualizations have been heard. Ayan. Nakikinig, no? Nakikinig ang Diyos sa inyong mga panalangin, sa mga minamanifest nyo sa inyong life. So, there's good luck. Especially pag nakikita kayo ng ladybug or butterfly. That's a message or a sign na merong swerteng darating sa inyo and that you are on the right path. So this is your overall energy, the 8 of Pentacles. You are really working so hard. Meron kami na master na skills, abilities, and talents. Very much focus ka talaga sa trabaho mo, sa career mo. Your challenge is judgment, changes. Yung iba sa inyo, Cancer, maaring meron kayong kailangan ng baguhin na situation, set up sa buhay ninyo na maaring this week you will finally realize na okay, you need to finally change that. Kasi Judgment card is also about changes, rebirth, bagong ikaw. This is also maaring i-reinvent mo yung sarili mo, no? This is totally different from what you used to do, no? Mas kakaiba siya doon sa dati mong ginagawa, dati mong career, business. But as a challenge, I think yung iba sa inyo, medyo nag-aalangan pa hanggang ngayon, no? Huwag na kayong mag-alangan. Sabi nga, take a leap of faith, 'di ba? Because you're about to change your life drastically. So, your opportunity, ano yung opportunity naman? You have the Nine of Swords. You have the opportunity to remove all the overthinking energy sa inyo. Oo, maaring yung iba sa inyo, you are feeling anxious na ano ba, gagawin ko na ba to? Itutuloy ko pa ba to? Mm-mm. So, yung iba kasi maaring may pagka-OC kayo or tipong perfectionist, no? So, iwasan nyo na lang muna yung ganon na hindi kasi kayo makakausad kung yung laging you want to be gusto mo laging perfect lahat, no? Okay lang yan na may mga konting parang issues na pwede namang gawa ng paraan or hindi ganoon ka malaking issue. Oo. Kasi yun yung maaring nagiging dahilan kaya yung iba, hindi nyo pa na-experience yung major change sa buhay nyo because you're not yet letting go of that control, no? So, sa blessing naman, you have the Nine of Wands. Meron kang sapat na lakas, kakayanan to overcome any challenges, no? May strength. You have the courage to face all your challenges. Let's see, ano pa? For Cancer, you have the Sun in Aquarius in the 11th house, idealism. So, yeah, basically this is the energy of someone na gusto ng perfection, no? Perfectionist. Meron kang specific ideals na gusto mong yun yung matupad. But sometimes, no, yung binibigay sa atin is somehow similar to what we want. Maybe because that is what we need at that time. Yun yung mas kailangan natin. And 11th house is also about, being with the people, groups of people, community. So, maaari ring meron kang mga palalawakin na connections, no? Or community around you. Can be sa social media or yung mga group of people na nakakasama mo rin face-to-face. And you also have Saturn in Taurus in the 2nd house, ostentation. 2nd house is your finances, your livelihood, yung possessions mo. Saturn is here. So, maaring maging challenging for you anything that is related to your possessions na maaring meron kang aasikasuhin related sa mga gamit mo, sa pera mo, pero may delay, no? Oo, pero it doesn't mean na hindi na yun darating. Okay? Kaya, patience is the key to success. Kaya, kumbaga, tinuturuan ka ngayon na mas maging patient sa situation mo. Okay, let's see ano pa. For Cancer, you have bird flying. News is on the way. So, meron ka marireceive na importanteng balita, message ngayong week na to. What is this related? Saan to connected? 12th house. Related sa pwedeng abroad, no? Malayo sa'yo. 3rd house, communication galing sa kapatid or sa mga pinag-aaralan mo ngayon. Especially if this is related to spirituality, no? Pinag-aaralan mo connected sa spirituality, sa divination. Ayan. Younger man, dealings or relationship with a younger man. So, I think for some of you, meron kayong importanteng connection with a man that is younger than you. Pwedeng siblings nyo to, kapatid nyo, no? Or the person that you are connecting with right now romantically. Beware of greed. Ayan, mag-ingat daw sa sobra-sobrang paghahangad. Okay? Dapat lang kung ano lang yung kailangan nyo, no? Yung tama lang. And of course, beware then of the people na nasa paligid mo na medyo nagte-take advantage, no, ng kabutihan mo. Mas maging ka rin, ang tawag dyan, sensitive sa paligid mo, na makita mo yung mga taong may pagpapahalaga talaga sa'yo or yung mga tao na gusto lang, parang ang iniisip lang is kung ano yung makukuha nila para sa'yo, galing sa'yo. So, embrace the power of dance and movement to access your highest guidance. Yes. The power of dance and movement. So, these are parang sasayaw ka sa galaw ng buhay. Ganon. Para mas ma-access mo yung guidance na binibigay sa'yo ng universe go with the flow, something like that. And also, kukunin mo rin yung mga signs na pinapakita sa'yo. A new creative venture is on the horizon. See it as a positive change. So, meron talagang major change sa inyo. This is very positive. Related to sa creativity ninyo, sa mga ginagawa nyo, sa mga binubuo ninyo ngayon, or sa mga sinisimulan nyo, sinusubukan nyo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you again.